You're meant to give me 6,000. You attended to 3 customers.
Now what thing I make today? Now not me make the hair.
You can't tell me that. Eh? Like serious? Is that how you people do here?
That is what I made today. I'm not gonna boss person around there. That's kind of what I do this one.
Oh. Yes, person. And what was that?
Nothing more.
What else?
Sure, you know why I brought you here. I brought you here for you to be smart.
Yes, ma'am.
Open your eyes. This is a very that salon you see, they used to make money. I brought you in because you are my best friend's sister and I know you are a very, very smart girl.
Yes, ma'am.
So, you know salary cannot do you anything. You cannot be depending on salary. So any small thing you have, you corner it my side, I give you your share and we are good. You hear me? Be smart though.
Okay.
How much do you make today?
20,000.
Give it.
No need of counting. It's 20,000.
Complete that. See what you're going to do. See this one. Put this one inside the cashier box.
Okay.
Hold this one. Hold it for yourself. Don't worry. More is coming. More is coming from where that came from. While I hold this one. Yeah? After you sort. Just remove 2 people from the list. It will correspond.
No, I had a nice day.
So yeah, I'm coming. Hey!
What is that?
Shampoo.
No, but I told you that she make use of this shampoo in the first place. What is that? Bro, my girl.
It's not just a shampoo.
No, I told you that she make use of this shampoo. What's your problem?
But you
I told you that she make use in the first place. What is all
It
this?
affects your hair now, sir. Why are you shouting?
No, I told you from the